beautiful facial wash. Kulang kasing gumagana sa akin. I don't know. I tried several products. And parang hindi naman gumagana. Parang nagkakapinto. But this one, yung light na lang. This Ampule something Madagascar line. And even the oil cleanser. It's so good. And I'm using their Centella sunscreen as well. Till the lightning strike. So hi. I'm doing my skincare now. I'm using toner from Muji. I don't know if you're familiar with this, but it's light toning water. It's good for cleaning your face, something like that. So I'm getting ready tonight. I'm vlogging. Wala lang. I just wanted to vlog to document what I'm going to do. Medyo bored. So it's been a while. Hindi ba ako vlogger or something, or somewhat influencer or something like that. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang i-document yung my day today. I'll be going out with friends, with my workmates. We're not going to party, but we're just, you know, casual eating lang. Siguro kakain lang sa labas or tatambay lang somewhere. So, lalabas ako today kasi it's been a week since hindi ako pumasok because I'm sick. I have fever, cough, colds. I've been taking medicines a lot of medicines actually. But yeah, I feel good now. So I'm okay now. So I'm going out. So I'm getting ready with I don't know, just get ready with me, I guess. So ito ba yung mga trends sa TikTok, like get ready with me, I'm going out tonight, blah blah blah, something like that. But it's just a random lang, super random. So I'll be going out, hang out, and I'm gonna bring you guys. So stay tuned. So hi guys, so this is my outfit for today. A simple shirt, black shirt, and then short lang. So lang naman kami sa labas. So yeah, I'll be doing my skincare. Niacinamide molecule, so good. Sorry, medyo nagmamadali na ako. And then perfume from Centella. You can search it out sa TikTok. Mura lang sila. Lagi silang madaming discount. So, yeah. And then, I'm going to bring my laptop with me. Kasi nga, nag-vlog na ako. So, mag-edit ako here. Of course. Hi, so this is my outfit. Shoes, white shoes, shorts, and then my bag from TikTok as well. If you want to know where I got it from or what shop I got it from, let me know. Arte, diba? Feeling. Oh my god. But yeah, this is my outfit, so I'll be going out now. Magbubok lang ako ng sasakyan going to market. Actually, ang lapit ko lang sa market, like one tricycle lang. Siguro mag-tricycle na lang ako going there. And then I'll be waiting for my friend, so I'll be heading out now. Bye-bye muna. So but I'll ping you guys, okay? So yeah, I'll be going out now. Bye-bye. magtatambay sa coffee shop while aantayin ko yung mga friends ko kasi mamaya pa sila. So baka mag-i-edit lang din ako. Sisimulan ko na to para mamaya lang magawa ko. Gusto ko lang mag-try ulit. So nandito ako ngayon sa Misilendra and I am going to a coffee shop near sa Marisela Hotel dito sa may PGC. So doon lang ako for a while, siguro mga 30 minutes or an hour. But yeah, so madalim. Venti na white ice white mocha americano. Hi guys, so I got home na already. Hindi ko na kayo kanasama kasi there's some drama going on. So the tea was hindi natuloy yung aming lakad, hindi natuloy yung aming supposed to be, hindi naman siya planned, parang biglaan lang din naman to. But we were supposed to go somewhere sa may Bridgetown, and then one of our friend canceled because he's too sleepy already. So this was planned last night with one of our friend as well, si Mami, si Inay. So what happened was hindi na matutuloy yung friend namin na isa kasi galing pa siyang work and then he's tired as well. So ayun nga, medyo nagkatampuhan ng mga friendly dahil si Mami ay supposed to be going somewhere else than today to meet up with her friends then, but eventually she didn't go because gusto niya kaming kasama for today. So nagtampo siya and then kasi nga hindi sasama yung isang friend namin, so ayun, nag-away na, hindi naman sila nag-away, nagkatampuhan. So hindi na sila nagre-reply po sa amin. So ang natuloy lang is yung isa kong friend. So what we did is kumain na lang kami naglakad-lakad kami actually. Tapos around BGC lang din, and then right after that kumain lang din kami sa Bonchon, and then after eating we walked then going to Mercury, and then after that umuwi na rin kami. So yun lang. So this was supposed to be a fun night, but eventually it ended up na magkatampuhan, which is sana maging okay naman sila, but I don't know, hindi ko alam. Sana maging okay sila. And then sana magkita pa rin kami. Although magkaka-work lang naman kami, but sana maging okay na sila and then makapag-go out na rin kami ulit. But yeah, yun lang naman. I just wanna share sana yung mga gagawin namin kanina, but eventually I guess this vlog is so boring. At least my tea, diba? Char, Emela. But yeah, thank you for watching. This is so random. This is a raw clip. But yeah, thank you for staying. But yeah, thank you for sa pag-aantay. Ako din, nag-expect din ako. Medyo masama din yung loob ko kasi nga ready na ako lumabas, ready na akong gumala. I mean, hindi naman gumala ng bonggang-bongga. Like, andun nakaset na yung mind ko to go out. But then, things happen. So, nagkatampuhan pa nga. Pero, okay lang naman yun. Hindi ko naman masisi ang bawat isa. Tsaka may kanya-kanya naman tayo reason. So, we understand that. So, no hate. We're still friends, guys. Ganun talaga sa mga kakaibigan, nagkakatampuhan. But yeah, thank you for staying and then for watching this vlog. Kung nanonood ka man or kung may nanonood man, basta gusto ko lang gumawa ng vlog just to document what I do every day. Hindi naman every day, but pag gusto ko lang, pag gusto ko lang i-document, and then I just wanna go back someday na ay ginawa ko ganyan, parang hindi na magpsisiya kasi ang tagal ko nag-iisip na mag-vlog ako, magre-record ako or something. nawawalan lang ako ng time, tinatamad lang ako. So ngayon, sinipag ako, but then eventually hindi naman natuloy. Kasi nga, nag-away sila. Charis, hindi naman nag-away. Pero yun na nga, sige, bye-bye. Kanina pa ako babay ng babay, ba't hindi ka natutuloy? So, bye guys. Bye.